फिजिकली तो खैर नाखून टूटे हैं यहाँ पर पूरा, अभी अभी भी ये सब मार्क्स जो है वो सब है, लगा वगा है।
सचिन तेंदुलकर।
#हार्ट। शर्म की बात है कि हमें पता भी नहीं होता कि फायर फाइटर डिपार्टमेंट में फायर फाइटर्स क्या क्या करते हैं। अनुष्का एंड दीपिका हैव लॉट्स मोर इन देयर करियर लेफ्ट, so they should not be doing a biopic right now.
रणवीर सिंह।
#Kapil Dev यार, phenomenal performance. But I'm a big fan of Jasprit Bumrah.
किसी की बायोपिक करनी हो आपको, किसी करना चाहेंगे?
वहीदा रहमान जी, मैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। हमारे घरों में
जी।
स्टेयरकेसेस पे हम कितना कचरा सामान रखते हैं, साइकिल्स रखते हैं, हमारी सेफ्टी हमें ही पता नहीं कि वी आर पुटिंग इट इन डेंजर। एंड आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ आर बाल्की's वर्क, हिज इंटेलिजेंस, हिज विट।
करेज, ऑनर एंड सैक्रिफाइस यानी कि अग्नि के सेट से डायरेक्ट फिल्मी ज्ञान के स्टूडियो में पधारी है संयमी खेर। सबसे पहले मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी फिल्मी ज्ञान पे।
थैंक यू दिशा, थैंक यू सो मच। अग्नि के सेट पे तो मैं ऐसे कपड़ों में नहीं जा सकती थी, तो अग्नि के सेट से मैं घर जाके आपके फिल्मी ज्ञान के लिए थोड़ा ड्रेसअप होके आई हूँ, क्योंकि नहीं तो हम पीपी सूट्स में रहते हैं अग्नि के सेट पे।
जी बिल्कुल। तो हाउ इज द फीलिंग? क्या ट्रेलर आउट हो गया है, सब आउट हो गया है, कल रिलीज होने वाली है। आर यू एक्साइटेड, आर यू नर्वस? बटरफ्लाइज?
I have butterfly only in my neck right now, but I'm very excited when I have a release, क्योंकि हमारा काम जब फिल्म ख़त्म होती है, एक्शन और कट, तब हमारा काम ख़त्म हो जाता है। तो उसके बाद तो अभी एडिट पे सुधारना या जो भी करना वो हमारे हाथों में होता नहीं है। So there's no point being nervous. So I am always very relaxed and just hoping it reaches more and more people. This film we shot quite some time ago, तो काफ़ी वक्त हुआ है। तो जब मैंने देखी फिल्म तो मुझे भी पूरी नई लगी। So it's a film I'm very excited for, celebrating firefighters, an ode to firefighters. शर्म की बात है कि हमें पता भी नहीं होता कि फायर फाइटर डिपार्टमेंट में फायर फाइटर्स क्या क्या करते हैं, या फीमेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें पता भी नहीं है। सो इट्स अ फिल्म आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ।
You've been choosing out of the box scripts. घूमर की बात कह लूँ, शर्मा जी की बेटी की बात कह लूँ, and now this. What made you choose this particular script? ऐसा क्या
उसके बीच में 8 AM Metro also, which I'm proud of. It's a film which we spoke about mental health. अग्नि के लिए यार it was very exciting, क्योंकि जैसे मैं कह रही थी, शर्म की बात है कि इंडियन फिल्मोग्राफी में हमने कभी फायर फाइटर्स पर फिल्म बनाई ही नहीं है। सो आई फील दैट इन इट सेल्फ इज अ नॉवेल्टी फैक्टर, दैट दिस इज अ फर्स्ट फिल्म ऑन फायर फाइटर्स, एंड I mean getting to play a firefighter, तो मैं I was ready to jump into the fire.
इतनी प्यारी स्टारकास्ट है, दिव्येंदु, प्रतीक, साई भी है। इन सब के साथ ऑन सेट क्या बॉन्डिंग रही? were you like very professional with them, या आप लोग ने बहुत अच्छे से बॉन्ड कर लिया एक दूसरे के साथ?
No, I think everyone's very professional, but you just end up becoming one family when you make a film, and when you're at the same wavelength, it just makes life so much easier. मतलब प्रतीक का घर से खाना आता था हमेशा, बहुत अच्छा खाना है उनके घर में, and he is such a genuinely secure human being. इसीलिए वो एक्टर भी इतने बेहतरीन एक्टर है, क्योंकि जो सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी है उनमें, ऐसे नहीं है कि काफ़ी एक्टर्स होते हैं कि सपोजिंग चलो आपका क्लोज हुआ है, मेरा क्लोज हुआ है, आपका क्लोज है, तो एक्टर्स चले जाते हैं, बहुत इनसिक्योर रहते हैं। पर प्रतीक इज देयर जेन्युइनली ट्राइंग टू मेक द फिल्म बेटर। दिव्येंदु के साथ ज़्यादा मेरा काम नहीं था, पर बहुत एंटरटेनमेंट, दिव्येंदु प्रमोशंस के वक्त हम एक साथ काफ़ी वक्त गुजारा है, तो ही इज़ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग। आई रियली होप आई गेट टू डू a nice proper film with him, show with him. Saeed Amankar, who's a very talented actor, उनके साथ भी my scenes were more so with Prateek. तो just his sense of security I find, you know, it's just so endearing. And Rahul sir जो captain of the ship थे, जो आग लगा रहे थे, बुझा रहे थे, तो उनके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया, because he's been a very prolific director. पर वो इतने मतलब चिल्ड आउट रहते हैं, ही डजंट टेक हिमसेल्फ सीरियसली, वो बच्चों की तरह जोक्स क्रैक करते रहते हैं। तो ऑन द सेट द एटमॉस्फेयर वाज जस्ट वेरी वेरी इजी।
वाज इट इंटिमिडेटिंग वर्किंग विद प्रतीक, सिंस ही कम्स फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड, मतलब वो घुस जाते हैं तो घुस जाते हैं?
नहीं, नॉट इंटिमिडेटिंग एट ऑल। he doesn't, at no point was it intimidating क्योंकि he is उनके साथ मैंने एक ऑडिबल एक ऑडियो शो किया था इसके पहले, तो we had spent time together, but he is just so good at what he does, and he makes everything feel so easy that there's absolutely no intimidation whatsoever.
And what was the takeaway? What was your takeaway from this particular project? Is there any special takeaway? I guess with every project, हर actor कुछ ना कुछ अपने साथ रखते हैं वो movie में से. It could be anything. अग्नि में क्या था? What is special for you?
For me, it मतलब अगर मैं अभी स्टूडियो में किसी से पूछूं तो हमारे घरों में स्टेयर केसेस पे हम कितना कचरा सामान रखते हैं, साइकिल्स रखते हैं, हमारी सेफ्टी हमें ही पता नहीं कि वी आर पुटिंग इट इन डेंजर. सो फॉर मी विद अग्नि इट वाज जस्ट लर्निंग ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी आर अनअवेयर ऑफ. एज सिटीजन्स वी आर सो अनअवेयर ऑफ. एज एन एक्टर बहुत मजा है क्योंकि पहली बार हम जब बचपन से वी हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट डोंट गो नियर अ फायर, वी रन अवे फ्रॉम अ फायर. एज एन एक्टर वी हैड टू जंप इनटू द फायर. And we were shooting with real fire. Yeah. So even that, to brace yourself and do certain sequences with the fire, as an actor, it was very exciting.
देखिए अग्नि की तो हमने बात कर ली, but how can I not talk about घूमर?
Thank you.
Oh my God. देख के पता चल गया था that you worked so hard for that role. Talk us through the preparation. Talk us through क्या क्या डाल दिया है आपने उसमें to make it look so special.
You know, certain projects come in your life which can never be replicated again. It can never ever match up. And I hope it happens in my career. But मेरे लिए घूमर ऐसा project था that it was a, पहले तो मुझे क्रिकेट में बहुत दिलचस्पी है, तो it was a combination of what I really love and with acting, which I really love, maybe more than cricket. So it was just playing a cricketer, and it wasn't only about the cricket, क्योंकि it was a very emotional story. जी. तो मतलब फिजिकली तो खैर नाखून टूटे हैं यहाँ पर पूरा, अभी भी ये सब मार्क्स जो है वो सब है लगा वगा है, तो the marks I'm very proud of. They're my घूमर memories.
Wow.
And yeah, it's a film that every day I wake up and still get messages on Instagram. I just feel so happy that I was a part of this film because it has my entire heart and soul. Like, it has everything that I could have given to the film. Balki sir is somebody who I absolutely love, and AB, I call him Coach Sab. Whenever I meet him, I say, Coach Sab, how are you, Coach Sab? So working with Coach Sab and Shabana Masi, Angad, so I feel the whole team, the film was too special. Like, it was just too special for me that मैं अभी भी जो Instagram पे memories आते हैं ना, 2 years 1 year, तो shoot के memories आते रहते हैं, तो मैं तो post करती हूँ क्योंकि इतना मजा आया था उस film पे.
But you know, people really say that working with AB, they feel really fortunate. There's so much to learn from him. वो जो आपका learning period था, shooting period था, was he a kind of mentor for you even in that? क्योंकि story wise तो he was, yes. Right? How was your experience working with AB?
So I'd spent a lot of time with him. We did a show called Breathe into the Shadows. तो घूमर के पहले almost 3-4 साल 2 seasons Breathe के shoot किए थे. जी. So we were very comfortable, which was very important for घूमर. क्योंकि वो comfort for him to be his character was so nasty to me in घूमर, because that's how Balki sir's writing is, that it's very cutthroat. Life is cutthroat, and he was very cutthroat कि यार, she wants to be an athlete, she has to be the best, we'll do everything to make her the best. So क्योंकि वो equation थी, I feel the comfort was way better working with him. And again, he's just such a wonderful human being, so secure and so much fun to hang around with. Very, very intelligent. So it was just great fun just being with him on set.
Yeah.
And him in combination with R. Balki, क्योंकि उन्होंने पा की थी, I think कुछ 16 साल हुए पा को. So that combination itself, I think, is lethal. And I'm a big fan of R. Balki's work, his intelligence, his wit, his craft. So I'm always going to be a cheerleader for both of them.
We're talking so much about cricket. Cricket is special for me as well. I like watching.
play?
No,
Oh.
I'm more into presenting.
Watching. Oh, lovely.
Sports presenting. Cricket is something which I follow. And मुझे ये जानना था, cricket is special. Cricket is your love. And so is acting.
Yes.
What made you choose acting and not pursue cricket forward? I mean, what was the story?
The story is I can't imagine my life. I can't imagine my life if I was not an actor, because of course I love sport. Like I still play sport. I still play cricket. I still run. I do triathlons and swim and dive and वो सब चल रहा है. But as a person, I think acting really made me grow as a person in a big way. I was a very shy, very reserved person, very low on confidence. So I
Is
feel
it?
yes. So I think acting made me a very just made me a more confident, more person who was just more comfortable with herself. It made me, because in life I don't express so much. I used to express it through acting. So I just found acting very therapeutic. And I can't imagine my life. So lot of times एक फिल्म से दूसरे फिल्म में काफी गैप होता है. So I am very cranky and irritable. क्योंकि जब मैं फिल्म सेट पे होती हूँ, I am the happiest that time. Otherwise, I find myself very cranky.
That's the thing. But I've seen you supporting men's and women's cricket
Yes.
equally so much. So much. World Cup ho, Test ho, kuch bhi ho. I see you support them so much. Who's your favorite from men's cricket and women's cricket?
A favorite unfortunately retired
from
Sachin
Karan.
Tendulkar has been my everything for the longest time, but he retired. But I'm a big fan of Jasprit Bumrah. So I think he's made our nation very proud. Of course, Rohit, Virat, it's always we celebrate batters a lot, but I am a massive fan of Jasprit Bumrah.
Even the fact that when we won the World Cup, Virat went on the stage and he said about Jasprit Bumrah that this guy needs to be credited.
Yes.
So much. हम bowlers को इतना ignore कर देते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
But they are equally important.
No, right now the Border Gavaskar Trophy is on, and we saw what he did, where we thought that यहाँ से तो हम जीत नहीं पाएंगे, and then Bumrah came back. His captaincy was brilliant, but just the way he underplays himself so much. So I think I'm a big fan of Jasprit Bumrah, and I'm a big fan of Smriti Mandhana.
Smriti Mandhana is so special. She is also special. But also speaking about first is always special. For you, for your debut movie First, what are the memories? बहुत सारे actors होते हैं जिनकी first debut movie जितना expect करते हैं उतना कर नहीं पाते हैं. Does it still bothers you that your first debut movie didn't perform really well, or are you now fine with it?
You spoke about the memories. They were जैसे कई बार होता है ना, हम जब 9th या 10th में होते हैं, we don't want school to end. हम सब we just keep those memories, and we slam books, we fill, and we have all these, like we keep that year so close to our heart.
Yeah.
For me, Mirzia was all of that. It was a school which I didn't want to end.
Wow.
So I was very nostalgic about Mirzia. Even right now, I'm very close to Rakesh sir, the whole team, not only Rakesh sir, Sham sir, who's his brother-in-law, who was doing production.
Yeah.
जो हमारे प्रवीण दादा यहाँ बाहर बैठे जो मेकअप मेरे करते, मेरे फर्स्ट फिल्म में प्रवीण दादा ने मेकअप किया था, अभी भी मैंने उनका हाथ छोड़ा नहीं है, उन्होंने मेरा हाथ छोड़ा नहीं है. So it's something which I'm just someone who keeps these memories very close to my heart.
Yeah, but as an actor, box office is something which is important when you're starting off. Did it affect you mentally उस time पे? How was your mental health उस time पे when it didn't perform well? जैसा आपने expect किया था, सबको expectations होती है.
बिल्कुल.
Mentally कुछ हुआ था, stress हुआ था, या you were fine with?
So I was very young. I think I was 24 when it released.
Yeah.
Maybe it was 24 when it released, and because I've grown up in Nasik, I haven't grown up in a filmy atmosphere.
Yeah.
So I didn't understand कि ये box office में नहीं चला तो क्या होगा, उसके effects क्या होते हैं, वो सब मुझे समझ में आता नहीं था. हर्ष को बहुत समझ में आता था, because he comes from a film family. तो मुझे तो इतना मज़ा आ रहा था यार, चलो अभी राकेश ने डिनर पे बुलाया, अभी लद्दाख जाएंगे, ये मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. अंकल शंकर महादेवन, गुलजार साहब, and become very close to all of them. तो फिल्म जब आई, we were in London, our premiere was in London, and I was so happy and excited with just the experience I had. I didn't realize how brutal it can be, the box office. एंड मुझे उस वक्त कुछ नहीं लगा, मुझे लगा ही नहीं, आई वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है, नहीं चली फिल्म तो देखेंगे, अभी आगे कुछ मिल जाएगा. बट देन फॉर 1 year आई हैड नो वर्क एट ऑल, no offers. I had 2 films I was offered, which I got replaced. So I, at that time, realized that this is more serious than I thought it was.
Did it hurt you when you got
So of course it
replaced?
bothered me, because you put in your whole blood, sweat, and toil. You put in your young, you put in all your efforts, and then it doesn't work. Of course it disappoints you. Like it's
Yeah.
natural and normal for it to disappoint you, which it did. But it also taught me the most. It taught me the most that as an actor you have to give your best and then detach. So since then I've learned, that's been my biggest learning, that you have to learn to detach from the work you do.
Detachment is something which is important.
Yes.
This thing बहुत सारे जन नहीं बात करते हैं. Trust me, Saimi. The detachment part, detaching as soon as possible is something which is important. वरना आप शायद उधर अटके रह जाते हो.
बिल्कुल.
Subconsciously वो चीज़ चलती रहती है, which might affect what you are doing as of now.
बिल्कुल.
And ये इतनी बात करके मुझे ये पता चला था कि I'm mentally very aware about things. Also because you are a sports person, शायद sports person की जो mentality रहती है वो बहुत different. The way of approach towards the life is something which is very different, and I like
agree.
this about you.
Thank you.
Also
Thank you so
fitness
much.
की बात करें, we've just मेरे को अभी याद आया.
जी.
I do content as well. मेरे को
Okay.
याद आया आप bicycle भी करते हैं.
जी.
You cycle, you know, Bandra के उसमें. What is that? हमको footages आते हैं, हम देखते हैं. It is
No,
so
one is I
cool.
want to put it out on camera, and I'm very ashamed that basically I didn't wear a helmet that day when the PAPS had caught me, because it was not planned to be cycling. I was taking my friend's cycle and dropping it to my friend's house. So I said, "ठीक है, कर देती हूँ," and then I got PAP. One is you must wear helmets. So I apologize that particular day, because I was pretty much being used as a transporter. But for me, I did a race called the Ironman race, Ironman 70.3, जो मैंने सितंबर में बोलिन में किया, and it was something which I wanted to tick off from my bucket list. जिसमें you swim for 2 kilometers, 1.9 kilometers, cycle for 90, and run for 21. तो उसी की ट्रेनिंग चलती है, तो उसके लिए I have been cycling.
That is the thing. वो footages
जी.
that went really viral, and she's clarified, guys. So chill.
No, chill. No, I am extremely ashamed, and it's something which you shouldn't do. Forget PAP pages. My mother saw that, and she said that I'll make sure you never cycle again in your life. So I got very, even right now I get shouted by my parents a lot. So,
Is it?
Yeah. I got shouted a lot by my parents. I was trying to explain, saying I had to just from bandstand drop it to my friend's house and turn the road. She said, I don't care what it was. You could have put the cycle on your shoulder, walked. You could have not done it that day. So I got shouted a lot that day.
Now we'll move on to the segments. हमने बात बहुत कर ली, सब डिस्कस कर लिया. अभी थोड़ा सा लाइट माहौल करते हैं. 2 segments.
अभी तक लाइट ही था पर.
लाइट ही था पर फिर आपको डांट पड़ गई थी ना, क्या करें. तो the first one is hashtag show. And the next is what the comments.
This hashtag goes viral. I've seen it.
Yeah.
We think carefully and say.
No, you cannot be careful. So the hashtag show. Hashtag for Abhishek.
Coach Saab.
Divyendu.
Hashtag Mirzapur.
Pratik.
Hashtag Vitthal Rao.
Sai.
Hashtag Supremely Talented.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Hashtag Heart.
Virat Kohli.
Hashtag King Kohli.
Shubman Gill.
Hashtag Prince. सभी ने उनको hashtag दे दिया है, तो वही बोल देते हैं Prince.
Rohit Sharma.
Hashtag Hitman.
Harshvardhan.
Hashtag Adil Mirza.
Ranveer Singh.
Hashtag Kapil Dev, yaar. Phenomenal performance.
Phenomenal. We just loved it so much.
Phenomenal.
It took us back to...
Yeah, means you didn't see Ranveer Singh. You just, that accent and everything, he was so good. The performance was so good.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Hashtag Bonafide Superstar.
Agni.
Hashtag 6 December on Amazon Prime.
And my favorite, Ghumar.
Hashtag Life Dream.
Wow. The next segment is what the comments.
What the comments?
What the comments. जनता के कुछ comments हैं, जवाब दे दीजिएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
The first one is Sayami. You should do a biopic of either Anushka Sharma or Deepika Padukone, considering both are actors and athletic as well.
But Anushka and Deepika have lots more in their career left, so they should not be doing a biopic right now because they are.
If you have to.
हाँ, but like I'm saying their career is left so
Yeah.
much more, तो अभी biopic बना के क्या करे?
आपको अगर
हाँ.
दोनों में से किसी की चूज करनी हो तो
अभी तो कोई नहीं यार, क्योंकि they
in
I want
future, in
I
future
want them to have I want to watch Deepika Padukone acting when she's 60 years old.
they will obviously.
Yeah.
In case Bollywood ever goes on to make movie about a female superhero, you have the majority vote for the lead.
I hope the producers think that as well. But whoever has written this, thank you so much. Hashtag डाल के बोलो, सब जगह लगा दो ये.
No, but the fact that you are a sports person, the fact that you act so well,
Thank you.
credibility इतनी बढ़ जाती है about this particular comment of female superhero. If किसी के again biopic की बात करूँ, not somebody who's from the current lot, but somebody who has made our nation proud, उनमें से किसी की biopic करनी हो आपको, किसकी करना चाहेंगे?
वहीदा रहमान जी, मैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ और मैं उनके क्लास एलिगेंस वो वहाँ पर है, मैं यहाँ पर भी नहीं हूँ, तो एज एन एक्टर बहुत चैलेंजिंग होगा, पर उनकी ज़िंदगी, उनकी सिंप्लिसिटी, उनके चॉइसेस मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट अ बिग फैन ऑफ वहीदा जी.
So special. I hope ऐसा हो जाए. I hope you get such project.
I hope so.
And
क्योंकि sport is very close to my heart, but I'd love to like the films I've done like Choked and 8am Metro and Fadu, they are very rooted, very Indian, very different. So as an actor ऐसे नहीं कि चलो बस sport करना है, वो sport तो मैं खेल लूँगी life में, पर as an actor बहुत कुछ करना है.
but does that ever bothers you that आपको लोग एक ही perspective से देख लेंगे कि you know she is more into sports, so let us give her more role which is you know related to sports and nothing else.
Not really, because I am very proud that I got Ghumar because of that. The only reason Balki sir said that if I make the film, I'll make it with this girl, otherwise I won't make it. So I'm very proud of it. So I am genuinely very proud of that side of my life. But of course, as an actor, you want to push boundaries and do much more.
And we are hoping to see more of you, more versatile characters of you.
Thank you.
And sports तो चलना चाहिए. I don't want you to leave it ever.
Yes, ma'am.
And और मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक आखिरी मैसेज आप जनता को दे दे for Agni and for your कुछ upcoming projects है, तो थोड़ा बहुत बता दीजिए.
तो अग्नि तो आ रही है 6 दिसंबर को Amazon Prime पर. इट्स अ फिल्म बेस्ड ऑन फायर फाइटर्स और बहुत शर्म की बात है कि इतने सालों में हमने कभी फायर फाइटर्स पर फिल्म बनाई नहीं है. सो इट्स जस्ट सल्यूट एंड ओड, इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ देम. सो प्लीज वॉच इट ऑन 6 दिसंबर. एंड अपकमिंग फिल्म्स तो एक तो स्पेशल ऑप्स आने वाली है, बहुत लॉन्ग पेंडिंग है वो. 4 साल कितने हुए अभी फर्स्ट सीजन को? 4 साल शायद हुए. तो सेकंड सीजन स्पेशल ऑप्स का आएगा एंड आई एम शूटिंग फॉर अ फिल्म विद सनी देओल और उसका टीजर आज शायद पुष्पा 2 के साथ आया है. मैंने देखा नहीं है, पर दैट विल रिलीज सम टाइम नेक्स्ट ईयर.
या थैंक यू सो मच इतने प्यारी कॉन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए. टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रिकेट, योर लाइफ, मूवीज, इट्स रियली स्पेशल. और ऐसे ही आते रहिएगा और लेट्स डू सम मोर फन इंटरव्यूज इन फ्यूचर.
थैंक यू सो मच.